How's it going, YouTube? It's been quite a busy weekend and I really haven't had time to film anything for you. Well, I am not doing a very good job filming. Sorry. Putting my boots on. Yesterday morning, Saturday morning, my brother-in-law Spencer, his father, my sister-in-law, and my sister's boyfriend Jake and I went out to one of our friends' places and did a little bit of ice fishing.
What number is this, Jules?
I'm not counting.
6. 6? I think that's fun to come out so I can actually see what I'm looking at over here. What type of minnow is that?
That's
a double.
That one's just a extra large.
Oh.
That's not even a jumbo.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they don't have jumbos in Mukwonago. They only had extra larges. It's a pretty furry microphone you got there, mister.
That's a dead cat.
Johnny's got one.
A perch.
Look at that. Beaut.
Buddy, this might win the tourney on the perch.
Did you see these guys chicken over here pulling up anything or no? And they got their little.
Buddy, throw this in the bucket.
Yep.
Just you never know.
Yep. Sure. Set it. Little set it.
Now keep going.
You feel it? Yep.
Tension on it. Not super fast, just nice and easy.
Oh, it came this way.
No, keep coming. Just keep it coming.
I don't have any tension.
Keep it coming.
Alright.
Go on. Oh, there's some tension.
Just keep coming. It's coming with you.
Oh, there she is.
Yeah. Okay, now if it yanks back really hard, just keep the line in your hand, but.
Okay, go slow.
Yeah, nice northern.
Snake! Ow! Just a tiny pike. Spreader.
Unreal. Can't believe these things live in there.
I was planning on filming how to pickle northern pike, but we ended up not having any keepers, so that idea got scratched.
Awesome.
I got you blinking, I think, but we're good.
That's alright.
Alright.
So instead, I'm gonna pull my grill out and we're gonna cook up some jalapeno dove poppers from the mourning dove that we shot last year. I don't remember how many doves we shot, but we have a decent amount of breasts in the freezer, so I've been thawing those today, and we'll put that video together for you. Alright, while my grill is heating up, I've got a nasty overhang of snow and ice here over my garage. I don't know how well that's going to show up, but we've got a huge drift. I'm afraid it's going to fall and land on somebody or on a vehicle or something, so I'm going to go ahead and knock that down. And my cleanup crew is going to help me take care of it. Whoa! I'm gonna have to move you guys for this one. Oh, that's cold.
Can I put on your jacket?
Yep.
Whoa! Tommy, just remember to be careful, okay?
Okay. Oh wait.
As much as I appreciate the cleanup crew, they're not really doing a great job, so I'm gonna get the snowblower going and get this picked up real quick. This is my take on a classic jalapeno dove popper recipe. I start by laying out a slice of uncured bacon, place half a jalapeno on one end and line it with a single mourning dove breast. Place a sliver of cream cheese on top and sprinkle with salt and cracked pepper. Roll up the contents in the bacon slice. Dove breasts are very mild and lean, so the fat that renders from the bacon will keep everything inside nice and juicy. A toothpick does the job of holding the package together. I like to top my poppers with brown sugar. Lay a sheet of aluminum foil on the grill to prevent flare-ups from dripping grease. Cover for 15 minutes. Even though the bacon grease creates a layer between the popper and the foil, they still tend to stick, which makes rotating them a mess. A light coating of cooking spray on the foil ahead of time might help prevent this. After 15 minutes on the grill, remove the poppers. This is just enough time to impart a savory charcoal flavor. Throw the poppers in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 15 minutes to crisp up the bacon. Jalapeno dove poppers make a great snack, side dish, or even a main course if your dove harvest was bountiful enough.